I didn't know people go school and no could be any PhD. Or we are no ACV, not the CV, ni crown, not the review. He's not even thinking about how to create a job. So what I say, yeah, educating to become employees, not entrepreneurs. It will even any more quiet for a create a juma for yourself. Or pare Ghana, obi be create a juma man who an his own school. Ne one actually no, and where we JHS, name I mean to finance to us was Kusia de Pam, Kusia Mason, Kusia Carpentry. You know what I mean? It's in your where we school need the answer, Obini Mum and Fanajuma. It's only any consciousness about how to create a business. So the idea said human Ghana, I categorically like reject it. There are more work than available people. Humanity a boom, Ghana, a boom, plenty. Now, any panel or no money fra. Obeti me 100,000. Not there my connection as well the two coin. But also there's no job in the country. Sikani crown at the comma connection man is a capital. The thing is, we need the consciousness of working hard. You don't have the when you cast a Ghana for lazy, and yes, you're lazy like they are lazy here, they are lazy in their mind. Thinking is very hard for our people. It's very unfortunate. Dream or kind of first dream to create something and anything. It's the person be them juma. When someone hires you, you don't have to think. What the answer was say, what the sorry for way or bequa brutally near chance for penway, or for now the atoa, or for now the atoa, or for now the atoa. Now what you one year to your car, or you okay with that? Dan said Ghana no Sabian doesn't exist because we don't have industrialization. In Ghana, in order for you to be successful, you have to think. You have to think beyond school. You have to think beyond what you know and say what you survive. And that's what they don't want to do. And finally, the amount of money out the man. Still, no, of course, the best way is go and generate capital and then come back. How? Just because you generate capital, how are you going to start a business in Ghana? Business na person start Ghana no who him dey and your family and outside this kind of home. Then you end up blaming and this kakwa no mu ye ni say obi a this kabeba Ghana me di bia no. It was your fault, not your family's fault. When nim die sika no hu nim die and I said the best thing was to bring it to your family to make a business for you. That's not